Hello, traders. Welcome to today's forecast. So today we have analysis on Euro USD and Bitcoin. Bitcoin starts to fall, and gold is also consolidating. So let's see the technical opportunities for today. So first, we should have to be aware of today's important economic news, which is Fed interest rate decision and FOMC meeting. So we have two key events, which is FOMC and Fed interest rate. So both of these will have a bigger impact on all the markets, not only the gold or all the markets. All the markets face these impacts due to the report. Whether it is the result will be positive or maybe negative, it depends. But most of them are expecting the result to be the expected forecast result seems to be lesser for Fed interest rate. So last time Fed interest rate got around 4.75%, but this time most of them are expecting a 4.50%, which means 0.25% rate cut is possible at this time. So if rate cut happens, we can expect USD to get weaker for now. So what we need to do is we just need to follow the technical. However, you should have to be very careful trading with the USD currency pairs. Mostly this US news will affect all the currency pairs anyway. So let's see one by one the technical opportunities. So Euro USD have chances to fall, or else it might go up. It is just consolidating. Yep, you can see it is just simply consolidating between these levels. And Pound USD does the same thing. It's just moving up and down. Aussie USD is also moving up and down, and I think it reaches the bottom. However, still have some chances to give a correction. But today news will have a bigger impact. So I recommend you not to trade USD pairs at this time. If you're holding the USD pair like a sell trade, just move your stop loss to entry. So I think we took a sell entry over here and also here. So wherever you have an entry, just move your stop loss to the entry price to protect your trade position, to avoid losing the money due to the economic news. Or else if you feel comfortable, just can close partial lot. You can close some of your lot size and then keep your position open. Maybe if US dollar becomes stronger, you can see some good big profits in a short time. And New Zealand USD just simply moving down. USD yen is also trying to move up. Gold again trying to move down, but it is consolidating, only consolidation. Technically gold looks like it have a chance to move down and then up. Silver looks like trying to pull down. USD Swiss franc, it is also consolidating. At the moment it is also consolidating at the moment. Pound Swiss franc, just trying to break the resistance, but unfortunately it just closes below the resistance level. So we can expect more downward movement on Pound Swiss franc. And USD Canadian dollar look like we have a more opportunity, more room to move up. So USD Canadian dollar more chances to move up. I think we need to consider these. So let's see. 2,500, 2,800, or 3,000. If you look at this 4,000, then it just made a small correction. So USD yen is all moving up. No matter whatever happens, it just keep moving up. Pound out, it's a very good buy. Pound Canadian, good buy. Good buy opportunity. Euro Canadian, only the euro pair is struggling to move between these levels, so the pound remains stronger. Looks like euro CAD also reaches some part of lower high, so you need to be careful with euro CAD. Euro pound is just simply consolidating. It might have chance to rebound harder, or else if it breaks, it still have chances to break, but you need to wait for the confirmation. However, if you want to buy, you can buy now with a tight stop loss. That would be better trade for euro pound. Euro New Zealand, it is in a strong uptrend. Pound New Zealand, same, but it's resistance, I believe. Yeah, higher high. Pound New Zealand broke the low and then trying to move up continuously. Pound out, same for pound out. Pound New Zealand, Aussie Canadian dollar. These pairs are all remaining at the same level. Oh, looks like Aussie New Zealand is trying to make some correction, but we cannot expect a bigger correction on Aussie New Zealand. However, Aussie New Zealand is good for buy or sell. If you ask me, let's just consolidating. Aussie Canadian. Bitcoin, it is just simply moving and start to move down. Bitcoin have chances to fall until 102 and then 99, I think 99 or 100k. Bitcoin will reach 100k very soon. There's more chances, but if you want to sell Bitcoin, you should have to look out for the little lower time frame, like 105, 500. Yeah, around this price. 105, 500 is a good price to sell Bitcoin. And if you ask me what else, Bitcoin, however, still moving in an uptrend. As you can see in the smaller time frame, Bitcoin is still moving in an uptrend. So we can expect one more up, 105.50. It is possible to reach on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is in the smaller time frame, looks like it is moving in an ascending channel, like an uptrend. But in the higher time frame, looks like Bitcoin starts to fall. So we can expect a correction over the Bitcoin. So we need to wait and see. So Bitcoin has a good opportunity or time to buy or sell. You should have to look out at the smaller time frame mostly. So next, check about the Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc broke the lower high, so we can expect upward movement again to 9440. It's possible to move around this price area, then it might move up continuously. Aussie Swiss franc is also moving in an ascending channel. Between the support and resistance. However, it reaches the ascending channel. So Aussie Swiss franc, Aussie Swiss franc, Aussie Swiss franc. We have a buy opportunity. Canadian Swiss franc. Yes, Canadian Swiss franc also we have a good opportunity buy. But if you have too many good opportunities, you should have to be very careful. USD Canadian, USD Swiss franc. It is just simply consolidating between high and low, but still have more chances, room to move up. USD Swiss franc has more chance to move up. 0.905. That's possible. 0.91. USD Swiss franc has more chances to move on. Euro Canadian, Pound Canadian. So Euro Canadian looks like it's also consolidating. Aussie Canadian also consolidating. Looks like all these pairs are consolidating. Better to give a kind of pending calls or pending signals. Is better to trade up with. USD yen looks like it broke the higher low, but if you calculate the range, it might move up again. Might move up one more time. Pound yen is simply moving in a ascending channel in the smaller time frame. So like this. This is just simply moving in an ascending channel. Pound yen, pound JPY, and I think all those pairs are moving in the same way. Only Aussie JPY is the pair which is a little bit different comparing to all other pairs. So this Aussie JPY, it starts to move up, I think, from the ascending channel. So it is good to buy. Good to buy Aussie yen. I think it's good to buy Aussie yen. As Aussie yen looks like a better opportunity to buy as per the technical view. Canadian Japanese yen looks like it hits the bottom. I'll not be sure about that Canadian JPY. Aussie yen is also in an uptrend. The small time frame, JPY, Euro JPY, all moving in the same direction. Again, Aussie New Zealand looks like it is moving in a very clear upward movement. So Aussie New Zealand is good for buying. I think Aussie New Zealand, Canadian yen, USD JPY also good for buying. CAD JPY 600. One more down is possible for CAD JPY. I think Australian USD is going to be difficult to fall below this strong major support. So we need to be a bit careful about the Aussie USD. So is it good to sell Euro Australia? If you ask me, is it good to sell Euro Australia? I think yep, it is at the resistance. So is it good to sell? I think Euro Australian dollar, but it broke the recent resistance level, so not good to sell. Don't go against the trend, because if you sold it, you're against the trend. Pound out looks like pound out might have chance to fall, but still don't think that pound out will fall more, because these are all the very strong uptrend, so there is no way to fall. Pound out. Pound New Zealand is a nice pair where it is moving up continuously. So if you look at all the pairs, looks like Bitcoin already hit the resistance, sorry, higher low. Yep, it already hits the higher low. One more up is possible, and Bitcoin. I think Euro New Zealand is good to buy. Whatever I say, I think Euro New Zealand is still a good opportunity for buying anyway. No matter what we say, it's in a very strong uptrend, so it's good to buy. New Zealand USD is good for selling. It's going to move down more, or you should have to wait. I think instead of New Zealand USD or AUD USD, it is better to go for AUD New Zealand. AUD New Zealand buy is a better deal. I think it will be a better deal. AUD New Zealand buy. Gold, it is just simply moving between the support resistance.